Ready to experience your best summer yet? Well, come dock your boat here and find out what lake life has to offer. Welcome to this fully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Fox Lake, completely turnkey and ready for summer. Enjoy a spacious living room with fireplace, private patio, and an open kitchen with center island perfect for entertaining. With walk-in closets, a flexible loft, in-unit laundry, and a garage. This one is dock ready and stress-free. Your lake life starts here.